Hello, I'm going to give you guys an overview on the Musetex Phantom Black mid-tower case. We've got 6 RGB fans, 3 in the front, 2 up top and 1 in the rear. The colors are controlled by this little RGB button up top. We've got a reset button for the PC, USB 3, power button, 2 USBs, microphone, and speaker ports up top. As you can see, the front 3 fans are filtered by this screen right here. This screen is also on the other side. Fans up top are filtered with this magnetic screen. The fan on the bottom for your power supply has another screen on the bottom, which is also magnetic. We've got 7 removable slots on the back here. All you do is use a Phillips screwdriver, loosen it up, and these little plastic slots will pop out. I'm going to show you how to take the back panel off here so you can access the hard drive and the power supply, solid state, all that good stuff. So there's 2 screws that you can actually use your hands to unscrew, or if they're really tight, you can use a Phillips. Now once you got both off, there's a little tab right here. You can just use to pull back and the case will pop right off. Now that I've got the case off, you can see where your power supply goes, and you've got actually quite a bit of space here to hide all your cables. This is your little fan controller for your tower. It's already all hooked up. All you have to do is hook up some of the ports to your motherboard in order to hook up your power button, reset button, and there's a few USB ports that you'll hook up to your computer. Now for your hard drive, looks like there's 2 or 3 slots here, and they actually just slide right in, and then there's a couple of screws on each side that will secure your hard drive in. And I believe if you have a solid state that they screw up top here. Now, as far as I can tell, there's no way to control the fan speed. The fan just plugs into one of your SATA cables for your power supply, and they're always on. The only thing you can do is control the RGB with this little button up top here. All in all, folks, this seems to be a great PC tower case. I think I picked it up for about 90 bucks on Amazon. It's got good airflow for medium gamers. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment below.